So here we are in the engine bay. We already have our power wire for our amplifier running through the firewall, and we have our small piece of 4-gauge wire to go actually to the battery. What we're going to do is we're going to put a fuse in between these two wires like that, and then we'll make the connection to the battery. You want to start by disassembling your fuse holder. So we'll take one of the terminals from one end of our fuse holder and we'll slide over our fuse. This particular fuse holder takes a number 3 Allen wrench. Make sure it's straight. Loosen up the other end. Then I'm going to take a razor blade. I'm going to strip down this end of the wire to get it onto that terminal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to connect it, but first I'm going to slide my cover over this side first. Now I'm going to slide my wire onto my terminal and I'm going to tighten it up. Give the wire a little bit of a wiggle and then give it another quarter turn. Slide our cover over. We're halfway there. So we're going to take the middle part of our fuse holder, we're going to slide it over and push it across a little bit like that, so we get the other part of the fuse to tack on to the other side of the terminal. Just like that. I'll tighten it up and then I'll push it back through. Now I could screw on this end and I can loosen up this tip. I'm gonna strip down this wire. Now I can make my connection. First I'm going to slide my cover over. Excuse me. Almost forgot about that. Slide the cover over. Now I can make my connection and tighten it up. Give the wire a little wiggle. And another quarter turn. Go ahead and screw on the other end of your fuse holder. So now we're properly fused in between our power wire run. Last but not least, we're just going to split loom this wire just to give it some extra protection. You can use zip ties or you can use electrical tape. Got my 12 right here ready to go. Connection. Replace the nut. I can route the wire however I want, making sure to stay out of the way, keep it out of the way. That's about it. 2 screws right here and I'm all done.